Hello everybody, this is JDV. In this video I'm going to show you the free site of RemoveBG. RemoveBG is a free removal background site that can remove your background for free all by itself without any editing tool. So there is some examples here. You can try this one with the cat. Here's the cat with removed, and here's the original. So what it does, it removes the background of an image and keeps this image that you need. That's how it works here. You can download it, you can edit it, you can do a lot of things to it for that one picture. Now it has many pictures, so let's go on Google and let's find an image that's a little difficult to get rid of. Let's say landscape. Let's find one that's like, I don't know, sometimes the images don't work, so you gotta find ones that do. And just find something that's not too hard to do, that has like something in front of it. Something simple, and this will work. You can copy the image, go here, hit Control V. Doesn't take that long, you have like a couple seconds depending on the image. And it worked. Now you want to get rid of this, you can edit it out, and you just click on it, so it says edit. It loads the image. You can hit erase and restore, and on erase, you can select the brush size, and you can get rid of what you don't want. It's messing with it, and it works fine. And then when I'm done with that, you hit download, and it's downloaded and it's saved. So you can use it as a Photoshop thing, or a Photopea, whatever you use to do editing with. Now you don't believe me that it works. Just hit download image, and let's go to Photopea and let's test it out. Okay, here is Photopea. If you don't know what this is, it's a free Photoshop editor that is free to use, web-based, online, just like Photoshop, but it doesn't cost anything. It does everything that it needs to do. You can save it on all these files. So let's hit open from your computer. We'll go to the one we just used, open, and here it is. It's there. You can turn the background off, on, and it's saved. It works just as good. Now I'll put a link in the description for this site. If you have any questions, feel free to put in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Have a great day.